Yes, I have.
Do you fully understand it?
Yes, I do.
Any questions about it?
No, Your Honor.
How old are you, sir?
50.
And you do have your high school diploma and some advanced schooling.
Yes, Your Honor.
Obviously, read, write, understand the English language.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the charges you're pleading no contest to?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Cockerham, is there a stipulation to a factual basis?
Yes.
Have you gone through the elements of the offenses with your client, and are you satisfied he understands them?
Yes.
Sir, by pleading no contest here today, you are giving up a number of constitutional rights, including your right to a trial, your right to remain silent, your right to testify, present evidence at trial, your right to use subpoenas, to require witnesses to come to court and testify for you at trial, your right to a jury trial where all 12 jurors would have to agree whether you're guilty or not guilty, your right to confront in court the people who would testify against you and cross-examine them, and the right to make the state prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. But by pleading no contest here today, you're giving up all of those constitutional rights. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, I do.
Mr. Cockerham, do you believe your client's pleas have been knowingly and voluntarily made?
Yes.
Do you believe he understands all the rights he's giving up by his pleas of no contest and the consequences to those no contest pleas?
Yes.
Then I'll accept the pleas of no contest. I'll make findings. The defendant's pleas have been knowingly and voluntarily made, that he understands all the rights he's giving up by his pleas of no contest. He's found guilty. Judgments of conviction are entered. All other remaining charges are dismissed. Regarding sentencing, anything additional, Mr. LaLure?
I think I know, Your Honor, the only priors that I see for Mr. Curtis are the prior OWIs that are listed in the complaint.
All right. Mr. Cockerham, anything additional before I proceed to sentencing?
Yeah, I would just point out that the prior OWIs were citations and not criminal convictions. These are the first criminal convictions for Mr. Curtis. Since the incident, he has sought out some treatment, has taken some measures to ensure that this problem doesn't happen again. There's an employee assistance program that he has taken advantage of as well. And just to point out that, this is a guideline sentence, and while it is a high BAC, this is on the high end of the guideline spectrum. And based upon the foregoing, Your Honor, we're asking the court to adopt the joint recommendation.
Right. Mr. Curtis, you do have a right to make a statement before I impose sentence. You don't have to say anything, but if you wanted to, now's the time.
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I'll accept the joint recommendation with regards to count 2, 30 days in jail. There's 3 credit, Huber for work. On count 3, 110 days in jail, 3 credit, concurrent to count 2, Huber for work. And obviously he needs to immediately report to the jail. So Mr. Curtis, you are advised you have to immediately report to the jail, and they'll make arrangements for the sentence to be fulfilled. With regards to fine, $3,284 fine inclusive of costs. Is bail posted, bail is applied, either 120 days to pay the balance or a payment plan with the clerk of court's office. 30-month driver's license revocation, mandatory assessment driver safety plan. In addition, sir, I do have to order that you install ignition interlock on every motor vehicle owned by or registered to you. This will be for a period of 30 months. In addition, you cannot operate a vehicle that requires a regular driver's license unless that vehicle is equipped with an ignition interlock device. That's also for a period of 30 months. I think I've covered everything. Anything else, Mr. Lalore?
No, Your Honor, I think that's it.
Mr. Cockerham?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, good luck, Mr. Curtis. Take care.
Thank you.